if you're experiencing a verification pending status on Wealthfront, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Wealthfront. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit required documents. If Wealthfront has requested specific documents for verification, gather and submit them as instructed. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible to avoid further delays. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you have not received any communication or if your verification is still pending after submitting documents, reach out to Wealthfront's customer support. They can provide specific insights into your account status. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any necessary documents or contacting support, allow some time for Wealthfront to process your information. You should receive a confirmation email once your verification is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Wealthfront account efficiently. If issues persist, consider reaching out to their support team for further assistance.